Aha! Good morning, guys. We're off to down that way to the sticks to see if we can get some. What are we chasing? Steve?
Bass.
Steve's been
Trout.
Bass and trout. Some redfin, I believe. There's some redfin there, but we might not be targeting there. Yabbies. We never thought about that. You see? Options everywhere. Anyhow, we're just going to enjoy the day and check the day out. So for all of you mugs who are at home with your wife, we told you so. Head on over to Blue Rock Lake and then you'll have just as much fun as we're going to have. See you there. We're about, what are we, about 45-minute drive an hour?
Yeah,
Probably less, yeah, 45 minutes. Off we go. Well, fucking check that out, guys. And guess what? We've met another two bastards. I'm not the only bastard here, except they're worse than me. They've been up here for the weekend. It's a long weekend. Brian and Adam. And they've done really well today. So I love that. Hopefully we get out there and catch a few too. But yeah, those of you who have got kayaks and stuff, come on up to Blue Rock Lake.
beautiful. Thank you.
Good afternoon to you. Check this out. Huh? How beautiful is that? Just a lovely day. We've just sort of paddled out across the lake over to where the first lot of timber structure is. It's quite a paddle actually. Met some people at the ramp, some people caught, some people didn't, the usual story. And now I'm just dropping down. I don't have any live worms. We didn't stop at the bait shop. We're just using artificial lures today. So basically I'm using a scented worm, scented grub worm, and we'll see how that goes just around the sticks here for some redfin, as it's you know, past lunchtime by the time we've come here and set up and everything. You know, chances are we're not going to get too much, so we may as well sit around this structure a bit, have a look at that, and then we'll I might sort of target some of the banks around the lake. We'll see how we go. Nevertheless, how gorgeous is that? Hey guys, well, spent a little bit over an hour around the trees, just dropping down some artificial worm for some redfin. Being that it's in the mid-afternoon, I didn't expect much, and that's exactly what happened. We didn't get much. However, look at that. Wow, isn't that cool? That's just beautiful. And I've pulled over now to the bank. I'm going to cast some lures from here just for a little bit, tied on a different lure, and excuse the hands, and you know, Just going to flick a few lures off this bank and then head on over to the other side of the open banks. Now that it's getting a bit later in the afternoon, and I'm just going to throw some lures around from there as well. So yeah, I had a bite to eat, a little bit of a break from paddling because the wind has picked up heaps, so, and we're paddling back in towards the cars or the boat ramp, however you want to address that. It's against us, and severely against us, so you know there's a lot of resistance. So you know, I just thought, stuff it, I'll take a break, and you know, I want to be out here enjoying myself more than worrying about the fishing. If I really cared that much, I'd be bringing a boat, coming early and making an effort. But I'm here to, you know, make sure I get some exercise in as well, because I've let my fitness go. So now that's become a priority for me. Nevertheless, there's no reason for you guys to be looking at my ugly mug. So that mug gone, guess what's coming? And there it is, guys. I've just been working these banks here. Nothing as of yet. And it's late in the arvo, so I've got work tomorrow, so I've had about enough. And it's going to take a while to get back into shore because it's quite choppy out there for a little kayak. It doesn't look like it in this little bay that I'm in, but nevertheless it is. So I'll just pan around and get a 360 or 180 anyway. How beautiful this day is. And that's us done. How beautiful is that? Check that out. What a gorgeous day. And lovely clouds in the sky. No fish for us. And I won't run down the lures that we were using. But on the next update, where I go into some modifications, the update of the modifications on the kayak, I'll put in some of the lures that we used that were not successful. That way you don't have to use them yourself. But we had a great day anyway, and you know, it's always good to get the kayaks out and do a little bit of upper body workout. So good to see you guys again. And thanks for all the subscriptions and the thumbs up and all that kind of stuff. See you soon.